If you are experiencing slow response times in NotebookLM chat, there are several practical steps you can take to improve performance. Start by refreshing the NotebookLM page. This helps reset the session and can clear temporary loading delays. If the issue continues, check your internet connection, since unstable or slow networks are one of the most common causes of delayed responses. Next, close any unnecessary browser tabs or background applications. NotebookLM runs in a browser, so limited device memory or heavy multitasking can slow down chat responses. It is also important to allow time for your sources to fully load. If you recently uploaded large PDF files or multiple documents, NotebookLM may still be processing them in the background, which can temporarily affect performance. If your notebook contains a large number of sources, consider splitting it into smaller, topic-specific notebooks. Too many active documents in a single workspace can reduce responsiveness when generating answers. For best performance, use a supported browser such as Google Chrome, as it is optimized for Google-based tools. If the interface feels laggy, clearing your browser cache can also help remove stored data that may be affecting speed. You can also try logging out and logging back in to reset background syncing and refresh the session. In some cases, duplicating the notebook and working in a lighter version can improve responsiveness, especially when dealing with heavy research data. Finally, if the problem continues even after trying these steps, it may be related to temporary service issues. In that case, checking Google's service status or waiting, trying again later can resolve the slowdown. And that's how you fix slow response times in NotebookLM chat. Refresh your session, optimize your browser and notebook size, and ensure your system and network are running smoothly for the best performance.